y double dashed plus 12y dashed plus 36y equals 0, and we've got these initial conditions here. So write down the auxiliary equation then. Lambda squared plus 12 lambda plus 36 equals 0. Then we can factorize this, can't we? Lambda times lambda, 6 sixes. And when we add them together, we get 12, don't we, as the middle terms. So lambda squared plus the 6 lambda plus another 6 lambda makes 12 lambda. And the last term will give us 6 sixes of 36. So this tells us then it's a repeated root. Lambda plus 6 equals 0. Move the 6 over. Lambda equals minus 6 is the value. So it's a case 2 then. It's a repeated root. So here y equals, it's a e to the lambda x minus 6x plus bx, isn't it? E to the minus 6x. There we go. Let's just remind ourselves if we need to. There's the formula there for case 2. So we've got that here. Now, we got the initial condition y0 equals 1. Let's put that in. See what we get there. So when x is 0, y is 1. So this gives then. So let's put that in. Turn our attention to the solution now. So y0 equals 1. So y equals 1 when x equals 0. Put 0 in here. 0 times 6 is 0. E to 0 is 1. So we're just going to get an a. And by the same token, well, you put a 0 in here, you're going to get 0 times the number, which is 0. So a equals 1. Read from right to left. A is 1. Now we need to differentiate. So let's do that before we put the other initial condition in. Differentiating gives. So let's see what we get then. Y dashed here is equal to function of function. The minus 6 comes down, isn't it? Minus 6a e to the minus 6x. And then this is a product, u times v, so it's u. And then we need to differentiate this, which is minus 6 comes down again. Plus v, which is e to the minus 6 x, times du dx, which is just b, isn't it? So we put a b lots of that at the end here. So we've got the other initial condition now, which we'll go back and have a look at. Y dash 0 equals minus 2. So y dash 0 equals minus 2 equals minus 2. What does that give then? Right, so this was y dashed here, wasn't it? Because we differentiated, so I needed to put a dash there. So y dash 0 equals minus 2, so minus 2 then, and put x as 0 in. Here we'll just get minus 6a, and x will be 0, so this whole thing will be 0, and we've got a plus b e to the 0 at the end. So that's plus a b. E to 0 is 1, so this is equation 2. A is 1 then. Oh, this can be equation 1. So a is 1, so what is b? So b equals, reading from right to left, move the minus 6a over to plus 6a, minus the 2 that's already there. A is 1, so we get 6 times 1 minus 2, which is 6 times 1 is 6, minus 2 is 4. So b is 4. So finally then, consequently, what have we got? Y is equal to a, which is the 1, wasn't it? E to the 6x plus bx, 4x, e to the, was it minus 6x? Or, it's minus 6x both times, isn't it? And this is minus 6x. Let's just check that it was minus, yeah, that's it, a and b. There we go. A is 1, b is 4.